Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect from the Japan Airlines Diamond Premier Lounge. This is the first class lounge in Terminal 1 in Haneda Airport. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this is the Diamond Premier Lounge in Terminal 1. This is the domestic lounge for Japan Airlines that they use for first class passengers only. Now I will say this lounge is very easy to miss. And it's right after you get past security, you turn left, and if you're not looking closely, you'll walk right by it. Very inconspicuous sign outside, so easy to miss. Also, this lounge has very limited food options, so don't come here expecting to fill up on food before your flight. You're better served if you're flying Japan Airlines domestic first class. You're better served to eat on the plane anyway, as the food was really good on my A350 flight, which you'll see the review for that soon. And here you see plenty of seating here. I was here very early. I had a very early departure out of here, but really not much to this lounge here. You had restrooms and showers back up front, and probably the best part is the view you have, and that's the aircraft that I was going to be flying on that day. So that's really all there is to this lounge. Really a big rectangle, if we will, as far as once you get in the lounge through the hallway. So I'll leave you with the rest of the lounge. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.